Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable vibrate and haptic feedback in Android. If you want to customize vibration and haptic feedback of your Android phone, so you just need to follow these steps. First, open your mobile settings app and now scroll down and look for sounds and vibrations. Here's that, just tap on it. Now scroll down again and here you have the option of vibrate for notification. If you want to enable or disable the vibrations, you just need to tap on it to disable and tap on it again to enable it again. And if you want to customize your haptic feedbacks, you just need to scroll down again. And here you have the all settings of haptic feedbacks. So that's how you can customize vibration and haptic feedback in your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.